Katie, leather and rubber cord is so popular these days. Let's talk about ways to finish the ends on those pieces.
It is so easy. All you need is a little bit of glue and chain nose pliers. So always choose the end cap based on the size of the cording that you're using. So internal diameter on your end cap should match the diameter of the cord. And then this is a crimp end. So all you do is place your little drop of glue, put it over the end, and then it has a spot in the middle that's like a crimp bead, but in this case you just squeeze it together with your chain nose pliers, and that's going to hold it nice and securely on the end of your cord. And I love these because they come in so many different styles and they look designer.
They do.
You know, they really have some flair. Now if you're looking for something simpler, you can also use this style of end cap. Same idea, you just fit it over the end with a little bit of glue inside, and then you can use your chain nose, or you can even use the outer jaws on your crimping tool to just squeeze that together a little bit and make sure that it's nice and secure. Then you're ready to attach a clasp. It's easy.
Fantastic.